Hey everybody, Space Pig and Bacon Boy back for yet another adventure in Ultimate Chicken Horse. Bacon Boy, you ready for this?
Yep, I'm ready. Are you, Space Pig?
I'm ready. Let's do this volcano level. This is going to be interesting.
Seems interesting.
I'll take the big thing here.
We have
Let's
to go
see.
here.
Yeah, I'll do that. I don't know if I would have put it there, but it's okay for now. Whoa!
Oh!
Oh, I see, okay.
So yeah, you shouldn't have put that there.
Oh, Bacon Boy!
Oh, we need another platform to go there.
Oh, yeah, that's where we need the platform.
That's where I should have put the spring thing at.
Yeah, it's okay. Alright.
Coin.
Of course you're picking the coin.
It's still not possible because we need to jump up on something.
True. That's why you shouldn't have picked the coin.
I just walked off.
Alright, well I'm gonna try it. I am going to try it. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'll run real fast and see if this will work.
What?
Oh, get up there! Oh! Alright, yep. Needs to go up there. You gotta build the map a little bit before you pick the coins, though.
Oh, jetpack.
Oh, man. Pick that. Okay, I'll put that there. Woohoo!
What? Oh, my screen is gonna put it first.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, it literally showed I had it and then it disappeared from me. Huh? That's weird.
Sorry. Alright. I drew first blood. Let's do this. What do you got here? I'll do this because it's kind of funny. I don't know why. Sure. I don't know why you'd want it, but yeah, okay. Coin goes there. Why not?
Which we said I got it first.
Oh. Yeah. The game doesn't always Oh, I died! And the coin's there. You might be able to get it. Yeah, the game doesn't always match up sync screens and stuff. It's weird. Careful, careful, careful! Nice try, nice try. Alright. So, we tried to get a little greedy. It's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, how did I not? What happened?
I couldn't jump up and then the lava got me.
Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Oh! I almost got hit. No! It didn't push me up in the air. No.
Yeah, you went forward too soon.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I got that one. Careful. Aw. Alright, I don't know.
It said I was on it. I couldn't jump for some reason.
I think the only way that's possible is if you get on the paper airplane.
Yeah.
I don't know what you just blew up. What'd you just blow up?
Coin.
Oh. Oh! Oh, it pushed me! It pushed me! Get up there. Go. Oh! On my screen, that hit you! Okay. Darn. This is tough.
The fan does not work. It
I
barely
think
pushes me up.
I know, it just holds you up. I think this is doable. It's hard, but I think this is doable. Ooh, that's a
Can you get rid of the fan so I can put this here?
I don't have enough. Maybe?
Maybe.
Oh.
The
No.
fan.
I want no.
Oh.
No, I want it to be hard. Actually, I think what you did is going to be hard. Ooh, you got there. I just don't know if you can get over. That's the only problem. Aw.
I'm stuck.
Aw.
I hate sometimes that when I spam jump, it just doesn't jump. Like,
I know.
well, like what happened last time when you were
Little bit
stuck.
of a little glitch.
That's
Alright, here we
what's
go. I'm
happening.
gonna get this one. Yes! Ooh, that was tough. Okay, so it's definitely doable. Oh, placed you underdog. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Make it hard. Oh! Oh, I should have got on that airplane. I think I have to wait now. Yep. I'm gonna have to wait. Oh! Next airplane, maybe. Oh, I tried jumping up and I hit the one. I don't know how it was so off like that. All right. Yeah, this is a tough one. Oh yeah? Okay. Whoa, you did the same thing. Yeah, it's tough. Oh, I knew it was going to do it too. I knew it, I knew it. I don't know why I tried. I shouldn't have done that. I should have moved over a little bit. Alright, you're underdog. You can get some good points here. This is a tough one. This is so tough right now. I'm not sure. Ooh, I almost got hit by the hockey puck. Alright, let's see. These are tough. I don't know. What'd you blow up?
I didn't. I missed.
You missed? Oh.
Yes.
Hey, arrow got me. Darn it. You're gonna get a trap kill. Oh! Alright,
On my screen, there is nothing there.
Oh, that's weird. You got a trap kill, though. You're on the board. Quarter point. Oh, I meant to get that. Ooh. Okay, I'll give that a chance. Oh, get off. Oh, what did you do? Why did you do that? Okay.
What?
You made
I don't know why, to be honest.
You made my airplane explode. Crumple.
Oh, I didn't mean to, cause, well, I was on the bottom the whole time. I didn't hit you. I was on the bottom plank the whole time.
On my screen, you jumped on there.
Weird, because I didn't
another
jump
trap
at
kill.
all.
Here we go. Alright. Oh, we both got coins. I don't think it's gonna matter because we can't get up here anyway. Alright, place it. Here we go. Oh,
I couldn't jump.
There's too much going on. I'm gonna get a bomb. I'm gonna kill that arrow at the bottom. That is hard. Bomb. What are you trying to explode? I was gonna say. You gotta make sure whatever you're trying to explode is in the. Oh, I see. Oh, you took out the whole thing. I don't know if that's helpful or not. Alright, Bacon Boy. I'm gonna try to get this win.
I mean, I bet you are, because I only have 2 trap
Nope.
points. And
The arrow hit me in the booty. Woo, this is some crazy lava. Oh, you got 3 trap points.
I have no points.
Got it. I am going to explode that. I don't like that. It only blew half. Darn it! Okay,
At least you don't get the coin.
it's fine. Woo! Just takes a second sometimes. That is tough.
Yeah, I bet you're gonna win.
Alright, here we go. Coin. Let's do this. I'll give us a little bit more help.
You're
Let's
the only
see.
one that can actually make it up there. I haven't made it up there once.
I'm gonna actually do that. I know, this is hard. And we just made it even harder. Aw, bacon boy.
Yeah, you're gonna win.
Ah! Oh, keep jumping! Oh! Oh, did you put another coin up there? I guess the coin stayed, huh? Oh, good game.
I didn't get a single point besides traps.
I know that was a hard one. All right, I'm the ultimate bunny. All right, let's go in. Let's see. Let's go in the treehouse. Let's go up to the top, but go to the right. Let's see what's all the way on the right.
Okay.
Crumbling Bridge?
Crumbling Bridge is really fun.
All right, let's play that one.
Because
All right, everyone, here we go. Crumbling Bridge.
it's fun because the bridge crumbles whenever you touch it. So
But
we don't really need anything right now.
well, maybe not right this minute, but there we go. I wanted to break it off. Here we go. All right. Okay, I'll do this one. Come on, place.
No, I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
You're
that's
gonna break my coin.
fine. I'm just gonna do that. Oh, I shouldn't have finished. I didn't mean to finish. Oh, I didn't realize all that right there was
Gonna
also.
try to break everything.
Yeah, I was gonna try to break all this. I thought just the dark squares were.
No,
Oh,
just trying to break stuff.
you better get to going.
I'm trying to break it.
All right, you're getting greedy. It's called hubris. It's called hubris.
Last one, last one, last one.
Gonna get caught. All right, you're lucky.
I need to
go.
break some stuff, so it's harder.
It'll get harder. It'll get harder. Uh-oh. No! Careful. Go.
Ooh.
Okay, alright. Oh, you got me with your trap. That was a tough one.
Phew. I'm under it.
Alright, we'll finish so we can keep going.
I need to get the coin.
Greed. Greedy, greedy. Uh-oh. Oh,
Fine. It's fine.
That's fine. I just greed. Greed gotcha. Alright. Now I'm catching up.
It's like a goal and a first. It doesn't really matter.
I'll put that one right there. Ow! I'm just going for first. That almost got me. Okay. All right. It's not much.
I didn't mean
know.
to finish.
Let's see. I'll do this one, and then I'll do like that. That'll be interesting. I'm gonna finish. I'm getting first. I'm not even. You gotta be careful. You're gonna have to go the other way.
Accidentally finishing.
I know. I'm gonna catch up to you just by. All right. Let's make this one harder.
I don't want to finish, which is the problem.
Oh, I gotcha. No! Oh, I got post-mortem. Yes! Oh, okay.
Coins, baby.
Sheesh.
Woo!
Post-mortem, though, is pretty good. It's a quarter point.
Yeah.
Not sure what that's gonna do. But okay. Did I make? No, it's still too easy. I was like, did I make it? Oh, bacon boy. Man, that coin down there is still not doable yet. So let's see how this goes. I get the bomb. I'll destroy the bridge.
Okay. But now it's really hard to go down there.
Oh, I know.
I couldn't jump!
Oh, sorry.
What? Oh,
Alright, Bacon Boy, you gotta concentrate. You got underdog, so if you get one...
I
don't
literally
want you
could
there.
not jump.
I'm gonna put it like right there, because that's going to start falling apart. No! Ooh, oh, good job. And you got come back up. Look at that.
Ooh.
Sheesh. Just went up like 2 points. Oh, this will be fun. This will be fun. I'm gonna watch where you go first. Oh, that's it. All right. Oh, how did I miss it? How did I miss it? That's crazy.
It was glitched. You're just like.
I know, cause he's a robot.
Oh, I forgot. I thought you were
This
the
is too easy.
panda.
Go, go, go. Oh, I think the arrow got you in the foot or something.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Let's see. This one's kind of funny. I'm gonna put it here. Oh, I did! Look where I... Yeah, Bacon Boy, look where I died!
So close.
I got hung up on that little spot there, and then it shot me with
That's
an arrow.
unlucky.
Yeah, super unlucky, and I wasn't close enough for it to give me post-mortem. Let's see. I don't know if I can make it.
You just have to jump on the fire hydrant. Or do that. Yeah, that works.
Okay.
And go. Jump on the hay bale. Yeah, you made it.
Woo.
Nice.
That was too close. Gotta come
Ooh,
back though.
come back.
That's big. That's big points. Oh, I didn't press the button. I meant to press jump.
Oh, it's just way too easy at the top.
Yeah. Oh.
You're taking the long route.
I just died from the
This is
stupid
so
arrow.
cool. Did I win? Wait, no.
No, I don't think so.
I think I'm too far away. Oh, I am close though.
I think one coin might get you a win.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, we both got it.
Yeah, this is gonna be too easy though.
No, no. Yeah, you win. You're gonna get the coin.
Yeah, but I don't win.
Well, you might with comeback.
Ooh.
Oh, close.
Ooh, I'm not comeback anymore though, so I know what I need to do. I need to put that up there.
The coin's not up there though.
But it's an easy route to get through. See, like that.
Oh, you're gonna win. You win.
I wanted to block. No, I don't think so. Here we go. All right, good game either way. Here we go. Ooh. All right. Oh, I know what to do. Got to get that coin before you do. Actually, I just got to finish. Bacon boy! Oh, so close.
GG.
Yeah, good game, good game. That was
If
crazy.
I made it, you wouldn't have won because
Well,
first isn't.
I'm the ultimate bunny, so good game.
Good game.
Say goodbye to everyone, Bacon boy.
Bye.